Kaika, what you doing? I mean, Tutu, what you doing?
Looking at Power Sun.
Power Sun?
Yeah.
Let me see.
This is it.
Whoa. You might want to use the other color. You can't really see it.
Huh?
You the darker color. Yeah, that color is better, huh? Kaika, how you doing? Kaika has a fever today. Poor baby. Okay, can you draw some daddy's face?
Okay, this is his face.
That's his face? How about mommy?
I made a shark. Look at his tail is missing.
What's missing?
The shark's tail.
Shark's tail?
Look at I made a shark.
How about you, Kaika? What are you making?
Shark?
No,
Like
Kaika.
that. See, I got a shark.
Oh yeah, let me see the shark.
Joy.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, Tutu. Come on, play. Okay, well, let's go, huh? Can you say hi to Daddy?
Hi, Dad.
What else?
I started the mom and dad.
You started Mom and Dad
Yep.
instead of Mommy and Daddy?
Yeah.
Why?
I like mom.
You like to call Mommy Mom?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I want to.
How about call Mommy Mother?
No.
Mom?
Yeah.
How about this one? Say hi, Kai. You say Kaima or Kai?
Hi, Mom.
Okay. Oh, you're looking at your friends playing car? Okay. Bye-bye then.